What's going on, YouTube? Today we are on our way to a upcoming listing by Kavika. We're heading to one of the best neighborhoods in Pasadena, one of my favorite ones, and we are actually going to go look at it now because the property just got staged. Kavika, for the people that are looking at this and they're thinking about potentially staging the property, can you talk about the importance of doing this as a seller?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that a lot of times most sellers want top dollar for their property, which understandably so. Why wouldn't you want to maximize your one chance to do so? But I think it's important to understand that to maximize an investment, the key word there is investment. You need to invest a little to be able to create an emotional connection to the property. Because at the end of the day, comps are comps. You know, we can run comparables on properties and help you understand how much it should cost. But if we take that a step further and get people's emotions involved, then they're going to pay what you're hoping to get. And I think without that little emotional piece, it's really hard to create that bidding war and drive the price to where we're hoping to get to. So at the end of the day, 9 times out of 10, my listings are staged. It's not for everybody. I think some people, they're not going to understand what I'm saying and they don't want to go with it. And they truly don't care how much they get. They're just trying to sell their house quickly, and they could care less how much money they get, which I don't understand why you would ever do that. But assuming you want to maximize the money you're going to receive back, staging is a must-do. So yeah, those are my thoughts on it.
And also too, just sort of think about it in this way. A lot of buyers don't do this for a living. So it's really hard to imagine how even the question that we get all the time is like, where is the TV going to go, right? So if we're able to sell them on the dream of this being their house and you providing and facilitating the way that, you know, for them to imagine them living in this house, you do get that emotional attachment, and that's when the big checkbooks come out, and that's what we're gonna go look at now. Got done touring one of the most incredible mid-centuries in Sierra Madre. What are your thoughts, Matt? Matt is a lender. He is one of my go-to lenders. What are your thoughts, Matt?
And thoughts on this property are that it is absolutely incredible. I think it's one thing to have an architectural home in LA. I think it's a whole nother thing to have an architectural home on a lot of acreage with pool, views, and plenty of land to, you know, have all the friends and family over that you could ever imagine. So pretty solid house altogether.
Definitely. And I think a lot of people do sleep on Sierra Madre, do not sleep on Sierra Madre. They have a lot of cool homes, a lot of architectural properties up here. It is close to the foothills, so I know that's going to be a lot of people's concern nowadays. You know, I guess real estate has changed as a whole now, you know, due to the fires. But hey, still nonetheless, it's a great property. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. All right, guys, there goes another week in the life. We just got done hosting this beautiful open house in Atwater Village. It's a beautiful craftsman. I'm actually going to do a full POV tour of this house. Let me know what you guys are thinking of the content. I would love to share a little bit more insight of what it actually takes to be a real estate agent here in Los Angeles. And there you guys have it. Hope you guys have a wealthy day.